Here's a wrap that's all completed. That's one of 3 wraps that we did from a warp we call Sedona. It's also called Solace by one of the baby mamas who is receiving this particular wrap. And it's the colors that you see out in the southwest part of the United States. All the different colors in the sandstone and the sky and the green grasses in places. And this has been one of my favorite projects because I love these colors so much. But it's also been a very troublesome one, as you may remember from previous posts, because there was a great deal of difficulty in the tension on the warp. This isn't very flat on the floor here. There are some wrinkles in it, but it did turn out really beautiful in the end because the colors are just so lovely. And it really was a pleasure to weave when it was behaving, which was most of the time, actually. And you can see close up, it's plain weave, 8-2 cotton, and has a really nice hand. I can't speak to how well it wraps. We'll hopefully get a review from one of the mamas who's receiving it. The 4th wrap that went out this week was part of the competition of weavers. On that particular Facebook page, it was a competition of 33 weavers, and 11 people completed the competition. I was one of 11, and there was voting on which wrap, anonymous voting, which wrap was the best looking and I guess spoke the best to the competition, which was to create a wrap that represented the Wizard of Oz to you. So I'm going to do a second little video showing the Wizard of Oz wrap that we did. But this is Sedona, and it is being mailed today.